In this video, I am going to show you how to become a Ria Money Transfer agent in 2025. Step 1. Visit the Ria agent. Registration page. Go to the official Ria Money Transfer website and navigate to the Become an Agent section. Step 2. Complete the application form. Fill out the online form with your business details, including your name, contact information, business type, and location. Step 3. Submit required documentation. Provide necessary documents such as your business license, identification, and any other documents requested by Ria to verify your business legitimacy. Step 4. Await approval and training. After submitting your application and documents, Ria will review your information. If approved, you'll receive training on how to use Ria's systems and comply with their operational standards. Step 5. Start offering Ria services. Once trained, you can start offering Ria money transfer services to your customers, providing them with a reliable and efficient way to send money internationally. Becoming a Ria agent allows you to expand your business offerings and increase your revenue by providing trusted international money transfer services. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.